Hi, I'm RotorBob, and this is a buildo. Yeah, she's cockeyed. So what makes this spot special? Nothing. That was a really slow natty flip. Oh my God, freaking pros. All right, on to the next spot. Time to relocate. Yeah? Relocation time? Yeah. All right, we moved locations to the Triangle building, which is much better than that other building, which kind of sucked. Check it out. Triangle building is a secret location. I can't tell you where it is because of its awesomeness. There was a couple years back where someone hit the side of the glass and cracked it, and for about a year, maybe longer, we were not allowed to come back here. They put up no drone zone signs. So we're trying not to get this spot burnt, and we're extremely careful when we fly here, not to break anything, obviously. It's probably one of the coolest spots ever. Oh God. I can't even get you in frame. Oh, I'm so dizzy. Oh, these props don't sound very healthy. Alright, that was pretty clean. Let's try a little backwards hallway run. Yeah. Alright. Do I have the bonk? No! Well, I bonked the wrong side. So I just got bounced up to the top of that tree up there. Oh, I hit the... Wow, that was crazy. This is gonna be a long fall. I'm the idiot who got caught in the tree, and this is the man who's gonna get me down.
This is the idiot trying to get him out.
All right. You've done this before, haven't you?
Yeah, I want to fight.
Let me out!
Let slack on the swing.
Oh!
There we go.
Battery popped.
And you broke an arm.
Oh, look at that! Wow. Thank you, everybody. Yes. No quad left behind. I love these guys.
10 hours.
Wah, wah. Disarm.
Disarm.
Look at disarm. Well, that wound up being kind of a frustrating day. All my stuff broke. I kept getting kicked off my channel, but it was still fun. I love this spot.
Bye. See you next time.